Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sukul Hemram. This video clip is part 1 of Computer Standard 6. Kindly open your computer book, chapter 1, page number 7. My dear students, today we shall learn about computer fundamentals. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Computer fundamentals. You know that the computer is capable of performing various functions according to the instructions provided to it. Instructions are those commands that you give to the computer to do your task. An instruction given to a computer as a fact or figure is called data. Data can be entered into a computer by using any of the input devices. You can use the keyboard and mouse depending on the type of data and instructions to be given to the computer. Computer system. The computer is a system as both of its components, hardware and software, work in unison to perform the task. Hardware consists of the physical components such as keyboard, monitor, hard disk, printer, scanner, mouse, etc. Software is a set of programs that instruct the computer about the task to be performed. Software that controls the entire system is called system software, such as operating system. Software used to carry out a specific task is known as an application software, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. IPO cycle. Let's understand the working of a computer. A computer first takes the data as input, processes it as per the given instructions, and then gives a meaningful result as an output. In simple words, every computer follows the input, process, output cycle that is called the IPO cycle. Open page number 8. Input. The IPO cycle goes through 3 stages. The first stage is known as the input stage, in which the data and instructions are given to the computer by using input devices. Input devices consist of the keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, webcam, magnetic ink, character reader or MICR, optical mark reader or OMR, microphone and several others. Processing. The second stage is known as the processing stage, in which the processing device, the CPU, processes data as per the given instructions. Output. The third stage is known as the output stage, in which the output is given after processing. The output provided by the CPU can be seen through an output device such as the monitor, printer, projector, or plotter. The following figure shows the various stages of the flow of information on a computer by using the IPO cycle. Input devices such as the keyboard and mouse, CPU. Output devices such as the monitor and printer. Storage. The computer stores the data either in its main memory or in the secondary memory devices. Some secondary memory devices are hard disk, CDs, DVDs, memory cards, and pen drives. My dear students, let us know more about computer fundamentals. Computer fundamentals mean essential parts or components of a computer. To be a computer system, what things are essential? To make run a computer, first we give commands to the computer. Yes or no? Yes. According to given command, computer works. The command is given to computer to do a task, and all given commands are called instructions. So, instructions are those commands that you give to the computer to do a specific task, and an instructions given to a computer as a fact or figure is called data. Data can be entered into a computer by using the input devices. We can use keyboard and mouse to enter a data or instructions to the computer. Computer system. My dear students, computer system consists components, hardware and software, and work together to perform the task. Hardware is physical parts or physical components of computer such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, hard disk, printer, scanner, etc. Software is a set of programs that instruct the computer about the task to perform. My dear students, software is divided into two types: system software and application software. The software that controls the entire computer system is called system software. Examples: operating system, language processor, and utility software. And the software is used to carry out a specific task is known as an application software. Example: MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, WordPad, Paint, etc. IPO cycle. My dear students, IPO stands for input, process and output. Input is entered data to a computer or given instructions or commands that accepts the computer, and according to given instructions data is processed and output is processing data that gives a meaningful result. Generally, all computer follows the input process output cycle that is called the IPO cycle. My dear students, let's know more about input, processing and output. The IPO cycle goes through 3 stages. Input is the first stage of IPO cycle and it is known as input stage. In this stage, instructions and data are given to the computer with the help of input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, webcam, magnetic ink character reader or MICR, optical mark reader or OMR, microphone are some input devices. The second stage of IPO cycle is known as processing stage. In this stage, data is processed by processing device as per given instructions and CPU is the main processing device. Output. Output is the third stage of IPO cycle and it is known as output stage. In this stage, after processing the data, output devices gives meaningful result as output. Monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speaker are some output devices. My dear students, also there is storage device of a computer. Computer stores data either in its main memory or in the secondary memory devices. Some secondary memory devices are hard disk, CDs, DVDs, pen drive, memory cards, etc. My dear students, kindly write down the following notes in your notebook. Computer fundamentals. Computer performs various functions according to the given commands. Given commands to the computer are instructions. An instruction given to the computer as a fact or figure is called data. Data can be entered into a computer by using any of the input device. Computer system. Hardware consists of the physical components: keyboard, monitor, mouse, hard disk, scanner are some hardware. Software is a set of programs. System software controls the entire system. Software used to carry out a specific task is known as application software. MS Word, MS Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, WordPad, Paint are some application software. IPO cycle. IPO cycle stands for input, process, output. Every computer follows the input, process, output cycle. That is called the IPO cycle. Input. Input is the first stage of IPO cycle. It is known as the input stage. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, webcam, magnetic ink character reader or MICR, optical mark reader or OMR, microphone are some input devices. Processing. Processing stage is the second stage of IPO cycle. CPU process data as per the given instructions. Output. Output stage is the third stage of IPO cycle. Output is the result of processing data. Monitor, printer, projector, plotter are some output devices. My dear students, we continue our learning in part 2 video.